welcome to my channel Utsav and Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today I'm really excited. I don't have one, two, but three China mail packages that landed on different days, but I decided to open it together. They came within a week of each other, so really excited that I have three packages instead of one like every time. And I know the two yellow packages are from Wish and the gray package is from Amazon. So but they all came from China. Even the Amazon package came from China. It took about these two packages I definitely ordered on September 1st, and this one came today. So today is September the 28th, so it took 28 days, and this came on Monday, so that was, I think, September 22nd. I will have all the details in the description for you guys, how long it took for each package to come by. And this I did it on first Sunday of September, and it landed yesterday. That was September 27th. So about 22 days for the Amazon package, 28 days for this one, and no, 28 days for this one, and approximately 22 days for this one. So let's start with opening the first package. I have pre-cut the packages but haven't peeped inside, but I know this is the lighted pick tool. Oh, hey, they sent me something cute, like a bracelet. It's cute, but okay. So here is the light pick tool. You just turn the switch on from here and the light comes on, if you guys can see on my hand. And I don't know why this opens up. I think it is for the battery, but I'm not sure. I haven't looked into details about this. I don't, if any of you have used this, let me know. I am really new to it. And all this right here are different types. I don't know what these are, because they are flat. If you can see, they don't have any space to pick. I'm sorry, I'm moving my camera too much. There is no space to pick up or put the drills at. I'm confused. It's making, and even this one is the same. It is flat. It does not have anywhere to stick the drills at. That's confusing. But this one is a regular single pick pen, and let's try and attach this single pick pen to this. We need to open this and put this in here. Oh my god, look at this. It is broken. Oh man, I was so excited about this, but this thing is broken. I might just have to tape it with scotch tape or something like that. But it's broken. If you guys can see, it's broken from here, and then this needs to go. Hopefully when I put this in, and it does not even let me close this. Wow. Oh well. Okay, so if I keep it a little out, but it's still broken. Does it work? Nope, it doesn't work. Wow, this thing broke already. Oh wow, I broke it already. I was really excited about this. Oh great. Well, this pick tool is a waste. I already broke the bulb, and I just opened it with you guys. I didn't even use it before, and it's already broken. Oh, it's a disappointment. I was really excited and waiting for this because I have a painting which is really dark, and the symbols on that painting is not, it's hard to see the painting if I'm working at night. and most of my diamond painting I do it at night, and I'm really disappointed that this thing is broken. I should have just invested in a light pad, but I was really excited to see how this will work, but the bulb is already broken and I'm not happy. Although I should not complain because it was free on Wish and I paid $3 shipping. So I paid $3 for this. I spent $3 even though the item was free. I paid $3 for shipping. It gave me 3 tips, but these 2 are flat, and I don't know what we use this in diamond painting. I haven't used it. If you guys have used any of these flat pick tools, let me know in the comments below. How do you use it? I have never used it. I don't know, but I'm really disappointed that this thing is broken. It's a waste of $3. Even though it was for shipping, it's waste of $3 because it's not working. If it was working, it was another story, but it's, oh well. I had high hopes for this. Okay, let me put it back in here because it's not going to work and I'm upset. Let's open the second Wish package that came in today. I still cannot get over the fact that that thing is broken. A lot of you will say, hey, what do you expect if the item was free? I would have paid money if it was a paid thing, but most of it was free that day. I picked it up and then the next day it was $1. So I don't know if it's the seller or it's the item. I'm really disappointed. I'm going to contact them and let them know that this thing is broken. I haven't even used it and it's broken already. So the disappointment there. But let's go ahead and open the second package. I don't want to dwell on it and think about it. I'll find another way to do my painting. So here is my second painting, and I don't remember ordering this painting ever. Honestly, I did not order this painting at all. You know what, guys, just give me a second. Let me pull up my phone because I am pretty sure I did not order this. Is missing which painting came instead of this painting. Came instead of this painting right here, and because they have this design right here, so I don't know, but it might be my mistake. I might have ordered 8154, but I did not realize it at that time that this was according to the numbers. Like I said, I am new on Wish. I just downloaded the app, but I was really hoping and looking forward for this painting, which was a full drill, and then what they sent me is a partial drill. So really disappointed. It can be my mistake. I am not going to blame the seller for it, but now that I have this painting, I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm not going to just leave this painting out. So 2 disappointments in one day is one is my fault, one is the seller's fault because that item is broken. It's not my fault. It is broken. It's not working. The bulb's already broken in like a minute of me using it. So I cannot complain about this painting here because I might have not looked at it properly, but definitely the light pick tool was not my fault. It's broken. It's just I'm just upset today, but hey, this zebra is still not bad. It's a colorful zebra, and I have done a lot of colorful animals, so one more to my collection will be I will definitely do this. And it has round drills, and I think it has 12 colors, and they look pretty decent. The quality of the product is amazing. It's just that I might have made the mistake of choosing the wrong number, but it was $1.95 for this painting plus shipping. So this was $1.95 for partial plus shipping. I think it was $3 for the shipping, so about $4.95, so $5. So here, this is pretty decent. The colors are vibrant. The quality of the drills look good too. So not complaining about the quality of the products. Definitely it is really good. Just unhappy that I might have made the mistake and I might have chosen the wrong design, because I was, like I said, when I ordered these, it was I was new on Wish. I just started Wish September 1st, so definitely I didn't know much features. I just was randomly ordering stuff. And then they have the basic toolkit right here with a single pick pen. So everything is included. Really happy with the quality. Definitely not going to complain to the seller about this painting, because it might be my fault. So yeah, so this is the first painting. Oops, sorry. First painting from Wish that I received. Let's move on to the Amazon, and hopefully that one is what I actually ordered and not something that I don't want. I already opened it, but I haven't peeped inside, so I don't know what it is. But yay, this is the one I was most looking forward to. Okay, this one was again a 1-cent painting, and I think it was $3.99 shipping for this one. And initially I bought this for my colleague, and I thought it was a full drill, but like from the looks of it, it doesn't look it's a full drill. Nope, it is not a full drill. But not complaining. Again, it's only 1 cent. It's a beautiful painting. It's only 1 cent, and it is a partial painting. So you know, I am just not happy today with all my packages. Let me yeah, definitely this is a partial drill, and the quality of the canvas is good. It was 1 cent, so not complaining about the about it being partial, but I definitely bought it because I read on Amazon that it was a full drill painting. Again, I am not complaining. I am okay with it. Whatever came, I'm going to accept it. You can hear the disappointment in my voice. It's just, never mind. It might be my fault. I might have misread it. But they sent me a basic toolkit with a single pick pen. And this painting is beautiful. It is 40 by 30 centimeters, and it has 14 colors. So it's really good. And it is again a round drill. I think I have a knack of buying round drill paintings. I have no clue why I keep buying round drills. But here are the drills are beautiful. It is a beautiful quality drill. So not complaining about the quality of the material or the drills. It is really beautiful. Definitely it can be my mistake. It should have been my mistake. It is my mistake. Let's put it that way. Not going to complain about any of this to any of the sellers. I should have been more careful, and not a complaint, not a disappointment, except for the light pick pen. That was the biggest disappointment for me today, that it broke already without me even using it. So yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, if anything like this has ever happened to you, that you were thinking it was a full drill and it came as a partial drill. Let me know in the comments below, guys. I really appreciate all your comments and all the beautiful comments you post. Also, let me comment about the paintings. How did you like the paintings? And if you have ever had used a light pick pen, and if I was doing something wrong and that broke it, let me know, because I have not used it. It just came out of the package. So let me know how to fix that. If you guys know, in the comments below, I will really greatly appreciate all the tips that you guys give me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and while you are at it, hit that bell button to stay in the loop of all the new videos I post. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. It was a disappointment, and I am a little bit upset, but it is what it is, and I will accept it. the way it is. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you all. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye. You guys, that I was not crazy. You can see this is my order that I ordered, and then when I click on it, it says painting by 5D diamond number kits, tables scene, 40 by 30, full drill clearance art crafts, pasted DIY diamond embroidery wall decor. And it says 1 cent and $4.97 shipping, so that's what I paid, not $3.99, $4.97 shipping. So it's $5, and it's only giving me a partial when they clearly state here that it's a full drill painting. So I am definitely going to complain about it, because this isn't the false advertisement, and I'm going to leave them a bad review up here too, because I thought I read full drill. I was not going crazy when I did, so it's definitely not my mistake as I said it was, but it wasn't. It clearly states there that it's a full drill painting.